Do you want to win an Honor 7X? Stay tuned and find out how straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TechEris.com, and we are doing the vlog a little bit late today, but we're here and we are doing a giveaway already. First off, let me remind you about the Master and Dynamic NW07 giveaway that we're doing. I'll link to that video down below, and it'll also be at the end of this video. We will announce the winner of that giveaway next week, sometime. I'm not sure when, but we will. For this giveaway, we are doing the Honor 7X. Now, we're going to give away 4 of these phones to 4 different people. Thanks to Honor for supplying these phones. They are going to hook you up with 4 of these devices. Now, before we move on how you enter, this giveaway is US and Canada only. So US residents and Canada residents only. I'm sorry, international. This is just the rules that Honor's has put down, and that's what we got to go with. So, to enter to win this phone, and we don't know what color you'll get, it's up to Honor which ones they send. But to enter to win the Honor 7X, all you need to do is comment down below. Tell us why you want the Honor 7X. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure you like this video. Those are the 3 things you need to do to enter. We will pick the winners in about 3 weeks, and we'll announce the winners on one of the vlogs in the upcoming weeks. And yeah, that's it. That is it. That's all you need to do to enter to win. Now we're going to do a quick unboxing because we're going to make this vlog really short today. We are going to unbox the Focal Elegia headphones. These are a pair of crazy $1,000 headphones that I didn't think this company would send me, but they surprised me and they sent them along. So let's do this unboxing. Welcome back, guys. We are going to unbox the Focal Elegia headphones. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now, Focal is a high-end audio company, and they do audiophile grade headphones and speakers. We've reviewed some of their lower-end offerings on the site before, but never have we gotten a pair of their higher-end. Now, this is, I think, retails around $900. So this is actually the low end of their high end, if that makes sense. But it's their first closed back headphone. They generally do open back headphones. Let's get on the unboxing. Let's check them out and see what they're all about. They come in a nice black box, very sturdy. Just slides right up like so. And inside are the headphones. And they come in a really nice hard shell case. There's some manual and documentation inside of the box, but that's about it, and you don't want to see that. So this is they got the Focal logo right there. It has a leather strap, carrying strap, and their branding is Listen Beyond. Right off the bat, I'm noticing one thing I'm not wild about is it'd been nice if this was flatter, so you could set it down like this, but it looks like this is the only way you can set it down. But let's open it up. Wow, now that is a case. That is nicely molded. That is like almost a styrofoam type of material. It's really tough. That'll protect those. It better protect those $1,000 headphones. And here are the headphones. Right there. Let's look at the cable real quick. Very nice braided cable. Wow, that is thick. Left and right. Really nice sturdy cable. It's really thick, really nice quality. And you also get a 1/4 inch adapter. So I'll put that to the side. And a nice little strap down for your cables. There you are. Elegia Focal. Focal is a French company, and they've been doing audiophile style headphones and such for a while. Right off the bat, they're pretty light. They're not too heavy. given how big they are. You can see the drivers in there. The things are massive. And then you also have a nice padding in here. That padding right in there is really nice. And it's all leather and suede. It looks like suede. And the ear cups, I believe, are removable. It looks like they might collect some dust on there. We'll have to write that up on the review. Once we start using them for a little bit, and a little dust on there. But yeah, that's the Focal Elegia headphones. We're going to do a full review. We'll have them written up and ready for you on the site, and we'll post that up at some point soon. Well, that is it, guys, for this edition of the vlog. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, make a comment down below so you can enter to win this Honor 7X. 4 of you will be winners, so make sure you enter, and we will see you on the other side.